Python for data science. Python is one of the most popular programming language used in data science. It is widely used because it is easy to learn, powerful, and has many useful libraries. Why Python is used in data science? First, easy to learn. Python has simple and readable syntax which makes it beginner friendly. Example, print hello world. It is a simple syntax which a normal user can understand easily. Second, large community support. Python has a huge community so you can find solution easily. Many tutorials are available on YouTube. Lots of free resources are available. Third, powerful libraries. Python provides many libraries that makes data science tasks easier, like data analysis, data visualization, machine learning. Now fourth, versatility. Python can be used for data analysis, web development, automation, and AI. Now, popular libraries in data science. First, NumPy. NumPy is used for working with numerical data and arrays. Features of NumPy. First, fast calculation. Second, support large data set. And third, mathematical operation. Example, import NumPy as NP. This creates the NumPy library. NP is short form of NumPy. Instead of writing NumPy, we write NP. Now array is equal to np.array. This creates the NumPy array. 1, 2, 3 is a list of numbers. np.array converts into an array and then print array. Second library is Pandas. Pandas is used for data manipulation and analysis. Its features are data frame, table-like structures. Second, easy data cleaning. Third, reading SCV and Excel file. Example, import pandas as PD. This imports the Panda library. PD is a short name for pandas. Data is equal to name AB, age is equal to 2025. This creates a dictionary. It has two columns, name AB, age 20 and 25. df is equal to pd.dataframe. This converts the dictionary into a data frame. A data frame is like a table, rows plus columns. Third library is matplotlib. Matplotlib is used for data visualization. Features, create graphs and charts, easy to use, help understanding data visually. Example, import matplotlib.pyplot as plate. This imports the matplotlib library. Plate is a short name used for creating graphs. X is equal to 1, 2, 3. This is the x-axis value and y. This is the y-axis value. Plot xy. This creates a line graph. It joins the point. So these are the Python libraries. So now Python is a powerful tool for data science because of its simplicity and strong libraries like NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. Python becomes very easy to understand. Thank you.